Cloves have incredible properties that strengthen hair roots and push hair to grow faster that you will never see anywhere. First of all, put about 2 tablespoons of cloves in a clean glass. Then add a slice of ginger. Add a glass of water. Cloves work by stimulating hair follicles, while ginger have antioxidant properties rich in sulfur, an essential mineral that promote the health of the scalp. Heat for about 10 minutes, and then filter with a colander. Add a little yellow lemon juice. Lemon increases blood circulation and prevents hair loss. Put in a spray or a small vial, and apply this natural treatment directly to your hair before your shampoo, and let it rest for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to act in depth. Your hair will then grow without stopping. Follow and tell me in the comments from which country you are following me. Save video to favorites and comment, "Yes, I will try it."